the solution for this example. There are a couple of ways, so let's try one or two of them. So first, let's try FlashFill. So we've got a column here. Now, normally I'd suggest you insert a column, but there's something interesting with FlashFill. If they're all adjacent to each other, we can actually just go here, and I'll type what I want to see. And then we can highlight that area. You don't have to, but we recommend it. Go Data, FlashFill, and you'll see that it seems to have interpreted correctly. You'll notice there are one or two problems. So notice that's 2014. That says 2013. So I'm just going to go in there and change that to 2013. Let's see. So now you'll see this looks a lot better. So that's the first way you can change it, using FlashFill. The second way, and the way we would recommend it, because it's a little bit safer in our opinion, is what you can do is you highlight that column. I did that by doing Control Shift and down that quickly. Go to Data, go to Text to Columns. Remember, we don't really care about any of this. We don't care about that. We'll just actually go back so that it doesn't do anything about it. And we're going to tell Excel this is a date, and it looks like it's day, month, year. So let's find that one. Day, month, year. When I click finish, you'll see it's gone through, and we think in a safer way converted this into a date. And now if we wanted to, we could go and maybe change all the formats to that format, for example.